Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of your clips in your video using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my VN Video Editor app on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project and choose video based, and I'm going to click on save, and then we're going to go to the stocks and we're going to add transparent background. Okay, click on next to import the background, and then here guys, I'm going to change the aspect ratio. You can choose the ratio that you want to use on your editing, and I'm going to choose this ratio 16 to 9. All right, and then we're going to add the video that we want to change the color of the clothes in. I'm going to go to the PIP and select photos or videos. I'm going to go to my videos and wait, let me select the folder or the album where my video in, this one, and then wait, let me fit the screen. So I'm going to click on fit icon, and then I'm going to split the background. I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, and then I'm going to split the background. I'm going to split it here. Click on split. You can split it or divide the video into some parts. Okay, and for the first part, I'm going to leave the original color, and then here I'm going to apply another color. Wait, I'm going to go to the background, and here guys, you can choose the color that you want to apply to your clothes, and I'm going to apply this green color, sorry, red color. Okay, and I'm going to select my video, and we're going to use chroma feature. You can select chroma feature, and you can place the circle on your clothes, and then adjust the intensity and also the spell like this. Okay, and I'm going to click on the check mark, and as you can see that the color changed. Wait, I'm going to split my video here, and I'm going to leave the original color without chroma feature. Okay, wait guys. Okay, this is for the original video, and this is the next one. And for the this part, I'm going to apply green color. I'm going to apply this green color, and for this one I'm going to apply, wait, where's the background? Okay, and I'm going to apply pink. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.